No, this is super important, actually. There's an interesting subtlety when you talk about agent frameworks. And a lot of people are anti-framework. I completely understand and sympathetic to those points. But I think when people talk about frameworks, there's two different things. So there can be a low-level orchestration framework. There's a great talk, for example, at Anthropic from Shopify. They built this kind of orchestration framework called Roast internally. And it's basically LangGraph. It's some kind of way to build kind of internal orchestration, workflows with LLMs. And Roast, LangGraph provides you low-level building blocks, nodes, edges, state, which you can compose into agents, you can compose into workflows. I don't hate that. I like working with low-level building blocks. They're pretty easy to tear down, rebuild. In fact, I used, for example, LangGraph to build Open Deep Research. I had a workflow, I rip it out, I rebuild with the agent. The building blocks are low level, just nodes, edges, state. But the thing I'm sympathetic to is there's also, in addition to just kind of low-level orchestration frameworks, there's also agent abstractions, like from framework import agent. That is actually where you can get into more trouble because you might not know what's behind that abstraction. I think when a lot of people kind of are anti-framework, I think what they're really saying is they're also anti-abstract. They're largely anti-abstraction, which I'm actually very sympathetic to. And I don't particularly like agent abstractions for this exact reason.